Oh,
Yeah, they are.
how could you tell? Because I don't have the proper
I
rendering
watched
for that.
their sail. I do. See, there it is again.
What is that
fuck
noise?
Is that? That's what I'm telling you. I've been hearing. I don't know what it is. That's that noise I've been hearing. They're fighting the Skelly Galley, but can they shoot over there to us?
This.
Yeah, that's that noise we've been hearing.
Oh, that's the first time I heard it.
I've been hearing it for 2 days since the update. They are sailing like right there. They are Athena sails.
Oh, okay. I can it. I don't think that's Athena sails. That looks like the legendary sails.
Maybe.
Because it's got the skull in the center.
But they are like right fucking there.
Oh.
So we aren't gonna. The Skelly Galley's down.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what they do. Let's just stop at this island.
They're putting up sails. I think they're coming out this way. I don't know what they're doing here. Yeah, they're sailing south. There it is again.
I don't hear it.
I did.
I just got the island music, that's why.
That's all I go.
They're coming after
now
us.
I just got that.
Yeah. I just got it again. But I don't know.